Welcome. If you've been trying to find all your event responses on Facebook Web using a PC and the new update made things a little harder to spot, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can check every event response you've made on Facebook in just a few simple steps. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open the main account menu where you can access your settings and account activity. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. After that, select Activity Log. This is the section where Facebook keeps track of many of your past actions, interactions, and activity history. Now, inside the Activity Log, look for the option called Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to expand the available categories. This is where Facebook organizes different types of actions you've taken across the platform. Next, click on Events. After selecting that category, you'll see another option called Your Events Responses. Open that section, and Facebook will display the events you've responded to, including the ones you marked as going, interested, or maybe. If you still don't see what you're looking for right away, take a moment to scroll through the list carefully. Depending on the update and your activity history, Facebook may play some options slightly differently, but the path is still the same. Just follow the menu step by step, and you'll get to your event responses quickly. And that's it. Now, you know how to find all your events responses on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. If this helped, you can use the same method anytime you want to review your past event activity.